Those angels, who did they actually symbolize in our time? Are you with me?
Amen.
Now I'm going to tell you this, you'll be shocked. There are two angels that went to Sodom and Gomorrah. The prophet of God came, William Branham. Do you know who were the two angels in our times? The first one was Billy Graham and the second one was Oral Roberts. Did you know that the same people that God, they were angels? In our time, the two Oral Roberts and Billy Graham, they were actually sent for as the angels. And Oral Roberts and Billy Graham will make it, but here is the secret. This angel, which is God himself, walk with the two angels, which means Billy Graham and Oral Roberts, they were used of what? Of God. But let me tell you something that you never heard, and I'm going to tell you today, it will make sense. Are you aware that Billy Graham and Oral Roberts, they were sent by God, but God actually sent them to blind the people? That's a good question. Why? Lava my angels say too. Never figure Sodom and Gomorrah by when those men say, Sifuna Matota, you ask what the Ramangilo say too, they wanted to rape them. You know the story. Because Batigibo, Batilamatota, Sodom and Gomorrah, what to Lord, but of God, look at this father. What of God daughters, they're still virgins. What happened to Nabamba Zinto Binto, Asanya Batinto, Batipegani Batota, was a Sodom and Gomorrah. We can give you the daughters that never touched the man. You'll open the first wine, you'll open the wine, you touch them, but we don't want them virgins no more. We want to sleep with them from behind. We want to do gazing. We want to penetrate their anus with our penis. That's what they meant. We don't care about the mavish. Now the prophet, by the grace of God, said, now the two angels blinded those people. That's why the gospel today, because they don't hearken to the message. Now Oral Roberts and Billy Graham are sent by God to blind them, because what happened must repeat itself. Now here's the secret. William Aaron Branham was not a mere preacher like Billy Graham and Oral Roberts. Abraham lo wasale muva. Abraham was the typology of William Aaron Branham, who stood and interceded while Billy Graham and Oral Roberts went to preach. He came with the message of the hour. Amen. Yes, good thing Kulumis Greek to some of you. I told you to read the spoken words. Read them. You'll get there. Amen. Not overnight. Now, what do you mean, Chapa? Billy Graham was a good man. Oral Roberts was a good man. Even though they preached different from what he preached. You know why? Because he had a special message for the hour. They did not have the special message. He was called with that message for this era. That's why you cannot compare Billy Graham and William Branham or Oral Roberts. Billy Graham got quality stadium, but to Billy Graham, what can I call? When I preach, millions of people come to the stadium. But when I discover that after month or three, it's hardly to find two still standing God. You find them backslidden. He mentioned that statement. Why? When I come back, they're no longer standing where they were standing when they received. But then came the prophet. Remember, not preach the Godhead like he did. And here, Brother Branham say they were sent of God. They're also children of God. But the message was not the same. Because this one was to call the bride. They were sent to the denomination to blind the people. But he was sent to call the bride out of the denomination. That's why we are not like the other churches, not making us better, because of the message is unique and distinguished. So that you can know when we talk about the bride of Jesus Christ of the end time, we don't talk about the denomination, because denomination is a curse thing. Denomination, it's a curse. Now, your Billy Graham and your Oral Roberts, they actually symbolize the two angels and the inside one was God. That's why when the angel, I told you last, not the one day when the prophet was in his room, he saw an angel. They never told you that. I heard it the first time when a messenger said it in his book. What did the angel that came to me was black, dark in complexion. He says way pound. Well, you never hear ukuthi nina sazi ukuthi izingilozi mhlophe noNkulunkulu mhlophe bas brainwash left, right, center, in and out, upside down. Amen.